seems... Uh-oh, there he is. Giles. This pain is unbearable. Let me guess, it's going to be the same thing. Yep. It's this guy. Alundra, it's Septimus. Listen to the words I speak carefully. Giles's life hangs by a frayed thread. If his mind is damaged further, he shall surely perish. You must fight the tormentor in Giles's dream without doing serious damage to Giles's mind. Oh, Mo. It's a daunting task, but I have faith that you are set up. You are up to it. Good luck. How about I get eaten? No, don't do it. I guess. We need... Oh, have I used up everything? And I just like... No, I wanted to get that! The essence will save me, right? Like, I can't use this, right? Oh, I can. Well, except I just used it. There we go. The soul leech has been destroyed. You're back. Well, how's Giles? Oh. Poppin' fresh dough. Oh, thank the Maker. Giles has returned to us. This is a wonderful, happy occurrence. I don't know if I could have dealt with yet another tragic death. Where am I? Why am I? Wait, I should be dead. Alundra saved you, and now you have no choice but to admit that Alundra is not out to destroy us. Alundra? You saved my life? And he spits at me. Oh yes, the villagers praying at Magaskar must be told of this happy news at once. Alundra, will you journey there and tell the villagers of Giles' survival for me? If you would be so kind, I'd be eternally in your debt. Sure. I don't know how to begin to thank you, Alundra. Wonderful, Alundra. Simply wonderful. You saved Giles' life and you proved me wrong. To get to Magaskar, you must journey north from the village. It's impossible to miss. Okay. And you nearly extinguished your life to salvage mine. Alright, let's go. Giles was saved. Our prayers must have been heard. No, it was me. No thoughts and prayers. It was me. I did it. I entered his dream and I saved him. No prayers.